Hi, I am Thomas Stanley from Ceiling Outfitters. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Sneeze Guard kits. Since COVID-19, Sneeze Guards have become an indispensable part of life in the office, in retail stores, restaurants, schools, and churches. Ceiling Outfitters has curated a select product line of Sneeze Guard kits that include all of the hardware you need to install them yourself to grid or drop ceilings. Now don't worry, if you have a finished or open beam ceiling, we can also provide optional connecting solutions for you. Our Sneeze Guard kits are made from fire-resistant, crystal clear 20mm vinyl. They are lightweight and ship rolled up. Your shipping cost is reduced this way as compared to heavier materials like acrylic and plexiglass. Sneeze Guards are available in 24-inch, 36-inch, 48-inch, and 60-inch widths. Each of our kits contains a rigid top and bottom rail in either aluminum or plastic to provide stability, a strong ceiling clip, hanger clips which slide into the small top channel on the top rail, end caps for use on the aluminum rail provide a finished look, our unique loop line cord which connects the assembled Sneeze Guard to the ceiling clip, and easy grip 3-inch inserts. Each of the kits that you order includes an instruction sheet like this that will help you easily and quickly hang your Sneeze Guard. Let's take a look at the assembly for the aluminum rail. The key measurements you need to determine the length of the loop line connecting cord are the ceiling to desktop and height of the pass-through from the desktop to the bottom of the Sneeze Guard. Subtract these measurements from the height of the guard to arrive at the length of loop line. Round up or down by 2 inches or 1 loop and cut loop line with scissors. Cut each line with the same number of loops. Now let's connect the loop line to the ceiling and hanger clips as seen here. Climb your ladder and install the metal ceiling clips by twisting it onto the T-bar. Attach the 3-inch easy grip inserts to the top and bottom edges of the vinyl Sneeze Guard. This part will keep the Sneeze Guard in the aluminum rails. Then guide the easy elliptical aluminum topper over the bottom and top edges of the Sneeze Guard. Raise the Sneeze Guard to the hanger clips and slide them into the small top channel about 1 inch in from each end. Now guide the next easy elliptical aluminum rail onto the bottom of the Sneeze Guard, which helps hold it in place. Finally, attach the end caps to give a finished professional look to the guard. Kits configured with the plastic rail install slightly differently. There is no 3-inch easy grip clip and you will use a different style of ceiling clip. The key measurements you need to determine the length of the loop line connecting cord are the ceiling to desktop and height of the pass-through from the desktop to the bottom of the Sneeze Guard. Subtract these measurements from the height of the guard to arrive at the length of loop line. Round up or down by 2 inches or 1 loop and cut loop line with scissors. Cut each line with the same number of loops. Snap open the plastic rail, place on a flat work surface, and lay one end of the Sneeze Guard into the open jaws. Snap shut and run your hand down the length of the rail to ensure it is completely closed. Do the same for the bottom rail. Take one end of your cut loop line cord and attach it to the hanger clip. Now climb your ladder and install the plastic twist-on ceiling clip to the drop ceiling T-bar. Then take the free end of loop line and place the loop over the open hook. Raise the assembled Sneeze Guard to the hanger clips which are attached to the dangling end of loop line cord and insert them into the small channel about 1 inch from each end. Thank you for your interest in our Sneeze Guard products. Reach out with any questions that you have and we look forward to working with you. You can reach us at 877-866-2545.